Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, I've got a mouth-watering dish that's going to elevate your weeknight dinners to a whole new level. Chicken thighs with sautéed broccoli. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, we're going to start off with 5 boneless skinless chicken thighs. Season them with salt, black pepper, paprika, thyme and soy sauce. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Make sure every inch of that chicken is coated in those delicious flavors. Now, in a pan over medium heat, melt a knob of butter until it's nice and sizzling, then add our marinated chicken thighs. Let them sizzle away for about 7 minutes on each side, or until they're beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Now, once your chicken is cooked to perfection, we're going to make some room in the pan and add in our broccoli. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a hint of thyme over the broccoli to really bring out those fresh flavors. We're going to sauté our broccoli for about 5 minutes until it's tender but still has a nice crunch to it. Just look at how vibrant and flavorful this dish looks. It's an explosion of colors and tastes that's sure to impress everyone at your dinner table. So, the next time you're looking to jazz up your weeknight dinners, give this recipe a try. And don't forget to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today in Heaven's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!